Joining me today is Noah Brooks, the famous TV chef. Noah is going to show us how to make some delicious snacks. Hello, Noah.
Hi, Emma.
So what are you going to show us today?
Today, I will teach you how to bake cookies.
Yum, sounds delicious. So let's fetch our ingredients. What do we need?
So here on the worktop, you can see that we have flour and butter. You should melt the butter like this.
Okay, great. We have those. What else?
Sugar is important because it makes the preparation sweet.
If we don't want too much sugar, is there something else we can use?
Yes, some people use honey. It's also very tasty.
And do we need chocolate?
Yes. Break the chocolate up into small pieces to go into the mixture. Then you need to.
Well, we already have some baking in the oven. We need to leave them in for 15 minutes.
That's right, and you can check on them to make sure they don't burn. Wonderful. But Noah, what's that smell? It's delicious.
That's the cookies. They are already giving off a warm, sweet smell.
Amazing. You'd better not go away.
We'll be back later to show you the full recipe. And don't forget,
next week, we'll see how to make pancakes with a banana and yogurt topping. Don't miss it.
You did it! Our lesson is complete. That's all for today, my friend. Our English journey doesn't end.